There's something about blueberry cake that just makes people feel inspired. Maybe it's the way the berries add a touch of sweetness to the cake. Or the way the flavor seems to remind people of summertime. Whatever it is, blueberry cake always manages to inspire people to do their best. When you are feeling down, a plate of oatmeal raisin cookies can help to boost your mood. The smell of cinnamon and sugar will fill your house. And before you know it, you will be smiling again. These cookies are perfect for a quick pick-me-up, or for when you need a little bit of comfort. Cooking with friends is a great way to get inspired in the kitchen. When you're cooking with someone else, you can bounce ideas off of each other and come up with recipes that are truly unique. Plus, it's a lot of fun to cook together.